Hey guys, welcome back to the DelftStack. Today I'll be showing you how to fix blank Google Maps in Firefox. So guys, if you ever encounter a error on your Google Maps, what you could try to do guys is you could just simply go for the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then now over here, go for the settings down below. Now here on the settings, you could go for the search bar at the top over here, and you just simply search for performance. And now over here, you will have one option over here, use recommended performance settings. So just simply uncheck this box over here, guys, and you should be able to fix the issue. If it doesn't, just simply uncheck use hardware acceleration when available. Now, if it doesn't work out, another option is you could just simply go for your task bar and just simply search for device manager. And guys, sometimes outdated GPU drivers can cause the issue, so make sure you go for the display adapters and update your driver over here by right clicking on it and selecting update, and search automatically for drivers. So when there is any update over here, you should be able to download it right away. Now another option guys is you could temporarily select the shield icon on the top left over here and turning this off. So turning off enhanced tracking protection can sometimes fix the issue, and pretty much that's all. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.